Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to factory reset Windows 11 PC or laptop. So the way to do it is just go to the search bar, and now in the search bar just type reset this PC. So yeah, it is already showing. Just click on the search result reset this PC. Now click on this button reset PC. Now it will show you two options. First is keep my files and the other one is remove everything. Now if you click on the first option, then it will remove all the apps and files and folders from your C drive. It will also remove everything from your desktop. So I suggest you to take the backup of the files that are there on your desktop. The other thing is that it will remove the files and folders from your C drive only. It will not remove the files from your D drive and the E drive. Now if you click on this option remove everything, then it will remove everything from your PC. So in my view you should click on the first option, keep my files. So just click on it. Now it will show you two options. First is cloud download and the other one is local reinstall. If you click on the first option, then it will install the Windows 11 from the Microsoft website and it will require the internet. Whereas if you click on the local reinstall option, then it will install the Windows 11 from your system only and it will be of the same version that you are currently using. So just click on this option, local reinstall. Now click on the next button. So it is saying that plug in your PC. So just plug in the charger in your laptop. So I have now plugged in my charger. Now click on the reset button. After clicking on the reset button, your PC will restart and your factory reset process will begin. So just wait patiently and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your PC or laptop. So just click on the reset button. I will click on the cancel button as I am doing the video recording. So this is how you can factory reset Windows 11 PC or laptop. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.